All right, we're joined now by Brandon Daniels on the phone from Exiger Global Markets. He's president there, and I know, Brandon, you've advised the government on how to deal with the coronavirus preparation and the like. Now that we are where we are, as Edward said, we're still trying to figure out what's going on with this AstraZeneca trial. But does that, from what you know about it, set us back, or what's your take on it?
Yeah, I mean, the beauty of the government's plan to accelerate the delivery of a vaccine is that it's not one horse, right? We've got 9 different platforms that are available to deliver the vaccine. We have several different vaccine types that are currently in later stage trials, including vaccines that we are hopeful will change the way we develop vaccines in total. They are easier, they are faster, they are easier to essentially modify, such as the Moderna vaccine, which is an RNA-based vaccine. So it's not that now that AZD 1222 has taken a pause to review the data, that now all vaccines are stopped or set back, because the government has created a variety of ways for us to achieve the goals that we're looking for and the outcomes that we all need to save lives. It really allows us to continue at the current pace.
Now, we've spent so much time the last few days, especially speculating about, would the vaccine be ready? Would one be ready by November 3rd? Is it the end of the year? Is it early next year? And as you say, there are many companies involved, from Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Moderna, whatever the case may be. But is the takeaway then, from what you're saying, it seems to be for the general public, listen, we're going to get one of these. That's a given. It's just a matter of time, and the end of the year, that's a fair estimation, do you think?
I believe so. I believe we have the technology to get us there. The virus itself, provides some advantages in terms of testing, right? People get sick quickly, and there's contagion. So you can actually test vaccines fairly quickly, as opposed to other viruses that we have developed vaccines in the past to mitigate. And so I think what we've got here are enough opportunities for the United States to have a working vaccine this year where we will see positive results. And the biggest thing, Connell, is not the vaccine itself and the research and development that's happening now. It's all the work that the federal government is doing to create effective logistics and to make sure that these, in some cases, innovative therapies and innovative vaccines have the supply chains that are necessary so that we can get them out to millions, to hundreds of millions, to billions of people in the rapid way that we need to.
What's your level of confidence that we'll be able to do that when it comes to a vaccine, in terms of distribution? How will it get from point A to point B being kind of the end user, and who, do we have to prioritize somebody who gets it first, that kind of thing? How do you see it playing out once there's at least one in place?
I think it depends on the platform that is the approved vaccine in the end. But I do believe that the federal government is doing everything it absolutely can to secure the vaccine from a supply chain perspective, to make sure that we can get them to care centers. They're already starting to give notifications to states to clear the way for vaccine delivery. And in the background, they're also making sure that there isn't potential tampering or sabotage in the vaccine supply that would stop, the spread of the vaccine and from America from saving lives.
All right. Thanks for calling in. We appreciate it. We'll keep watching this, of course. Brandon Daniels with us. Melissa, back over to you.